Hello everyone, I am Fiza Fatima from MERA Group of Institution, and today I am going to discuss about the impact of COVID-19 on e-commerce market. Vertical online goods and services companies including Urban Company, BookMyShow, Pepperfry and Nykaa, which do not feature in the government's list of notified essential services, have been hit hard by COVID-19 pandemic. This come at a time when India's leading online marketplaces like Amazon and Flipkart have also seen a steep decline in sales, having shuttered their flagship categories such as smartphones, electronics, and large appliances, which contribute more than 70% of sales. They are now largely attempting to meet the essential needs of customers. In India, we have gone from 50,000 orders as a couple of weeks back to zero right now, said Abhiraj Bahel, CEO of Urban Company. The company will end this financial year between rupees 225 crore to rupees 230 crore, an almost 100% growth year on year, but is steeling itself for a rough fiscal year 2021. Urban Company, Pepperfry, Lenskart, BookMyShow, and Nykaa, which are collectively valued at between 5 to 5.5 billion dollars, are hoping their cash reserve will see them through most of the calendar 2020. Businesses is down almost 50% from what is used to be prior to the pandemic, said Ambrish Murthy, CEO of Pepperfry. All numbers of the tables off right now. It's impossible to project any GMV, which is gross merchandise value numbers right now. We are expecting over the next 2 weeks at least a 50 to 60% drop in business, he said. Pepperfry operates more than 70 physical stores across the company. Emails to Lenskart and Nykaa, a significant portion of whose sales come from offline channels, did not elicit any response till the time of going to press. According to Froster Research, the Indian vertical e-commerce space is pegged at about $10 billion, but not including e-commerce services or sales recorded by e-commerce companies from online channels. Flipkart owned only fashion retailer Myntra is also not accepting any new orders. In support of PM's announcement regarding the national lockdown, we are temporarily not accepting any new orders, the company said on its page. To ensure your and your delivery partner's safety, cash on delivery has been deactivated from a site temporarily, the company said on its homepage. Businesses like BookMyShow are embracing the lockdown and giving people alternative entertainment avenues. We never thought we had been saying this, but success for us is getting you to stay home, said Ashish, CEO of BookMyShow. The company has launched a special series of online shows curated by Big Bad Wolf Entertainment from March 25 to April 1st to keep users engaged. I hope you guys are staying at home. Please stay safe and